back with you again for some creative ideas that I promised you. Remember, we changed our autumn wreath for our front door to our spring wreath, and now we're going to bling it up into an Easter wreath. Now these are things that I've had for years and I just keep reusing them and reusing them. Some of them are, I've bought them, I haven't made them, I have to be honest, which are obviously these guys here. I think I got them in Lidl or something. This is just pussy willow from the garden that I've made into this little nest. Can you see the little guys inside there? So cute. These are old jewellery beads that I have made to look like Easter eggs, or at least I hope I have. And the wee spring flowers, what I've done with those is I cut out in heavy card, like a stem, coloured it in with just a regular permanent marker. Who doesn't love to colour in? And then just stuck the wee daisy on the top. I think it's lovely. I'm going to hang it outside and hopefully it'll stay together. I think it's cute. Happy Easter, everybody. Stay safe, stay positive, stay awesome. Thanks.